Alright, I'm giving you a quick recipe for sweet potato home fries with ground turmeric, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, chili powder, and garlic salt, and Parmesan and herbs. The bomb. Okay, let me show you how I season these. I just guess. Not way much chili powder. Just close these out. Paprika. Garlic salt. Onion powder. I don't like onions yet. Garlic powder. And a little bit of turmeric. Good for inflammation. Oh. And this is just for like one sitting, one pan. Oh, can't forget the Parmesan herb. So we go. Okay, we're gonna try this shit one-handed. Vegetable oil, olive oil, burns at a low temp. And I'm putting these at 400. Sweet potatoes. Seasoning. Need a spatula. One-handed, you get it a little hard, but mix them up. Oh fuck! Can't be losing them. Oven at 400. I'll be back. 25 minutes and they're screaming at you to come out.